Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Student, today the very most important work we have to start that. We start the chapter parallel and line perpendicular and parallel lines. Perpendicular and parallel lines. Chapter number 14. Perpendicular and parallel lines. The most important things of this chapter is the two lines AB and CD are parallel and other line PQ are the transversal of this line. Okay, page number 98. There are the most important example is there. So class, we write the transversal. When we draw the transversal, there are some angles are there. You check that. Like this. I write like this. Okay, like this and like this. This angle name is angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 we start here, so we start again here 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Yes class, now you check that how many angles are there. 4 up and 4 down. 4 up of this line and down. Now you check that yesterday we learned about the vertically opposite angle. You know it very well. What is the vertically opposite angle? The angles who cuts two line and are opposite. This opposite angle like this. This opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 2. So first we have to learn about the exterior angles of two parallel line. Exterior mean outer angle. So this is this line and this line. This is the inner angle. Outer angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 is the exterior angles of two parallel line. Like this. This is the parallel line. So this is a transverse. This opposite outer angle. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. This is the exterior angles of two parallel lines. Understand that? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Now second is the most important thing is interior angles of two parallel lines. Interior angle. Interior angle mean inside the two lines. Inside two parallel lines, angle 3, angle 4, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are four interior angles of two parallel lines. Yes, interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Exterior angle, outer angle 1, 2, 7, 8. Interior angle 3, 4, 5, 6. So vertically opposite angle. Yes, you know about this. I learned about that. When two angle are meet at and cut one each two lines are cut one another at the same point, then opposite angles are vertically opposite angle. In up of the line, you check that we hide this up of the line, angle 1, angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 equals to angle 3. Right here, angle 1 equals to angle 3. Right? Then angle 2 equals to angle 4. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Then 5 equals to 7. Angle 5 equals to angle 7. Then angle 6 equals to angle 8. Angle 8. This is called the vertically opposite angle. Understand that? The vertically opposite angle, I write here like check that like this. This is the vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now corresponding angle. What is the corresponding angle? Corresponding angle mean check that the first angle will be the 1. First angle will be the 1. First angle of the line A will be the 1 and second and the first angle of the line B will be the 5. Yani this one upper line the outer and down line the inner. This is called the corresponding angle. Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Corresponding mean same like that. Angle 2 equals to angle 6 and angle 4 equals to angle 8 and angle 3 is equals to angle 7. So yes class, the corresponding angle, angle 1 equals to angle 5. First angle of line 1 and first angle of line B. Then second angle of line AB and second angle of line AB. Then third angle of line AB. Then third angle of line CD. Then fourth angle of line AB and fourth angle of the line CD. So angle 1 equals to angle 5. Angle 2 is equals to 6. Angle 3 equals to 7. Angle 4 is equals to 8. 1 equals to 5. 2 is equals to 6. Understand? This is called the corresponding angle. Angle 2 is equals to 6 and angle 3 equals to angle 7 and angle 4 equals to angle 8. This is called the corresponding angle. Understand class? Now alternate angle. What is the alternate angle? Alternate angles. Yes class. Corresponding angles we have to find and the vertically opposite angle we have to find. Now we have to learn about the alternate angle. Yes class. Alternate interior angles. Like this is the outer angle. Alternate, so we leave this outer angle, this one and this one, we leave this. Okay, now the angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Alternate angle means this angle equals to angle 5 and angle 4 equals to angle 6. So you write here angle 3 equals to angle 5 and angle 4 equals to angle 6. This is the alternate angle. Okay class, hope you understand the 5 points of the angles. So inshallah you do this exercise. Yes class, 5 angles, 1 2 3 4 and 5. These 5 angles, learn it again and again. These 5 angles is most important. If you understand these 5 properties, you can easily do it the questions for the parallel lines. Understand class? Inshallah, hope you understand everything. Inshallah we will start tomorrow exercise. Okay, but first must learn these examples and how can which angle equal to which one and write the learn about the angles name. Okay, exterior angle, anterior angle, vertically opposite angle, corresponding angle and the alternate angle. Understand? Inshallah meet you again tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.